Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to compare business credit cards. Running a business means every dollar counts, including those spent on your business credit cards. If you want to get the most value, you need to compare your options carefully. Nerdwallet makes this easy. Let me show you how. First, start by visiting nerdwallet.com and then go to business credit cards section under the credit cards. Here, you're going to see a list of cards that are tailored for businesses. Use the filter to refine your search. You can sort cards based on reward structure, that's the cashback, points, or travel. There's also annual fees. You also have introductory offers as well as credit score requirements. Click on a card to view its details. You're going to get information on the welcome bonus, ongoing reward notes, perks like employee cards, expense management tools, and travel benefits, as well as APR range and annual fees. Compare 2 to 3 cards side by side by opening them in new tabs. Take notes on exactly how rewards match your business biggest expenses, like advertising, shipping, or office supplies. You also want to pay attention to any spending threshold for bonuses, as well as long-term value, not just sign-up perks. Nerdwallet often includes a pro and con list and editor reviews to help you assess each card's fit. But yeah, choosing the right business card is about finding the one that works hardest for your unique expense. With Nerdwallet's comparison tool, you can confidently pick a card that helps your business to grow. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.